Today, I am determined to overcome stress by consciously deciding to redirect my thoughts to affirmations when I feel myself slipping towards worry and anxiety. Life throws us constant curveballs. Some are simple interruptions, while others are debilitating. Our decision to focus on positivity is the action towards turning that situation around so it becomes an opportunity. With that simple moment of Zen, we can change it, redirect it, and seek out alternatives and solutions. Once that decision is made, our focus adjusts and we are back in control, ready to succeed. Today, I had some frustrating news, and I was tempted to slip back into the mindset of despair. It was a flash of thought that immediately appeared, then fell into the back of my mind. I was surprised by this. Why do I instantly fall into negative self-talk when an obstacle presents itself? One negative statement is all it takes to knock us down a notch. If you are anything like me, you know that compliments generally come with some sort of internal resistance. I place them complacently into a dismissive part of my brain. Yet, negativity comes full front and center in my mind. Because I am constantly struggling with internal negativity, I find this rather absurd, actually. I am going to change this right now and focus on affirmations with an attitude of gratitude. So, today, I am feeling grateful for love. I am grateful quite simply for the obstacle. I am grateful for the challenge and the lesson because I see how amazing it will be to overcome it. Right now, I draw all of you into my heart with love, support, and light. We are all blessed. You are a shining star, unstoppable, brilliant, beautiful. You are amazing, kind, and intuitive. How do I know this? You found this video today for a reason. I asked the universe to send viewers who would resonate with this message. In this moment, we are growing stronger together.